Good morning, it's David Stoffo here at MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia. Hope you're doing great. This morning I'd like to show you our SPX 210. This is a 2019 model. It's in the beautiful black exterior hull color. It's got the nice water sports tower, as you can see. If you'll come along with me, I'd like to show you a little bit about the boat. It has the gray sea deck flooring here, which is super nice. This model has the infinity woven flooring inside, which is great. The vessel already has the tilt wheel, and a nice fusion stereo. This particular boat does come with the trailer. It's a tandem axle, heavy duty trailer with the swing tongue. It's got a real nice roomy bow, as you can see. You've got the thigh-high bolsters for the seats, and it's got the ivory with the gray interior. This is a 2019 model. It's powered by the Mercury 4.5 liter multi-point fuel injected engine. It's 250 horsepower. The boat runs and performs magnificently. I'd like to invite you to come see the boat in person. Any questions you have, feel free to call us here at MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia. We're at 770-614-6968. David Stoffo, thanks a lot. Have a good day.